Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll explain the Binance mobile sign-up process step by step. I'll explain each step slowly and clearly, so even first-time users can follow without stress. I will show you how to complete the overall sign-up process. First, download the Binance app on your smartphone. Once the app is fully installed, open it to continue. On the main screen, tap the Sign Up button to begin. You can register using either your email address or your mobile phone number. After choosing your method, make sure to check the agreement box at the bottom. Then, press Continue to move forward. A verification code will be sent to the email or phone number you entered. Please enter the verification code you received. Next, you'll be asked to create a password for your account. Your password must be at least 8 characters long. It should include 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, and 1 number. After setting your password, you'll arrive at the referral confirmation screen. Here, make sure to select Yes. Once selected, you'll be able to enter a referral code. Enter the referral code SKY333 to receive benefits. This code provides a 20% discount on trading fees, along with extra bonus rewards. I highly recommend applying the referral code before completing registration. I will show you how to verify KYC verification. To use deposits, trading, and withdrawals, verification is required. Start by selecting your country of citizenship. Then, choose the type of identification you want to use. You'll see several options available on the screen. Most users prefer using a passport, as it's the most convenient. Tap the Take Pictures option to continue. Place your passport clearly within the frame shown on the screen. Once everything is aligned, take a photo of the information page. After uploading the document, proceed to facial verification. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions. You may be asked to nod your head or blink your eyes. When finished, your verification request will be submitted for review. Approval usually takes about 1 hour. Once approved, your account status will change to verified. I will show you how to add an extra layer of security with Google Authenticator. Go back to the home screen of the app. Tap the Binance logo in the top left corner. Then, click the arrow icon in the top right area. From the menu, select Security. Choose Authenticator app. Tap Enable to start setup. Complete the email or phone verification when prompted. After that, you'll see the Authenticator setup screen. Copy the 16-digit key displayed on the screen. Now, install the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Open the app once installation is complete. Tap the plus button at the bottom right. Select Enter a setup key. Enter Binance in the codename field. Paste the 16-digit key into the key field. Then, tap Add to finish. A 6-digit verification code will now appear. Copy this code and return to the Binance app. And tap Next in the Binance app. Paste the code into the Authenticator app field and continue. Once this is done, Google Authenticator setup is complete. In this video, I walked you through how to register for Binance using the mobile app. If this guide helped you, please subscribe and leave a like. I'll be back soon with more helpful tutorials.